Good morning everyone. So today we are going to start Terminal 2 syllabus, that is chapter number 10, rounding numbers. Beta, this is very easy chapter. Only you need to take care of few things and then you can do this chapter very easily. So let's directly talk about exercise 10.1. In exercise 10.1, first question is round off to the nearest 10. Beta, you need to round off. Now what is rounding off? This is also known as estimating nearest to 10. Means you need to write the number nearest to 10. For example, this is 62. 62 is nearest to 60. So if you will round off 62, your answer is 60. In the same way, this is 427. 427 is nearest to 430. Now how I am saying this is nearest to 430. Why not 440? Why not 400? So there is a reason behind it. So let me tell you that. So round off nearest to 10. Whenever you have to do nearest to 10, just tell me beta, in 10 how many zeros you have? You have 1 0 in 10. So you have 1 0 in 10. So just circle the last digit because there is 1 0. So you need to circle only one digit from the right hand side, or you can say last digit. Now instead of this digit, just write 0 because in 10 we have 1 0. Now you need to round off 62 nearest to 10. Half of 10 is 5. If this circle digit is 5 or more than 5, then you will add 1 in the previous digit. If the number is less than 5, then you will write this digit as it is. I am repeating beta. If the circle digit is half or more than half of the round off number, then you will add 1 in the previous digit. Otherwise you will write as it is. Now I am telling you the third one. It is 387. Again you need to round off nearest to 10. So just circle the last digit or the first digit from the right hand side. Instead of this circle digit, write 0. Now half of 10 is 5. Is it more than 5? Yes. This number is more than 5. So add 1 in the previous digit. It is written 8. When you will add 1, it will be 9. And 3, this 3 you will write as it is. One more part I am explaining you beta. 2381. Again you need to round off nearest to 10. Circle last digit and instead of this last digit write 0. Now check, half of 10 is 5. Is it more than 5? No, this is not more than 5. So the previous digit will remain as it is and remaining all numbers will also be as it is. Clear? Now we are doing B question. In B question, you need to round off nearest to 100. So the first one is 68. Now in 68 beta, first of all in 100 how many digits are there? In 100 you have 2 digits. So you will circle here 2 digits, means both the digits. Instead of these 2 you will write 2 zeros. Now check beta, what is half of 100? Half of 100 is 50. Is it more than 50? Yes, it is more than 50. So add 1 in the previous digit. Here nothing is there, so just write 1 here. Clear? Now fourth one I am explaining you. 778. Again in 100 you have 2 zeros. So just circle 2 digits, and instead of these 2 digits write 2 zeros. Now check, half of 100 is 50. Is it more than 50? Yes, this is more than 50. So add 1 in the previous digit, so it will be 800, and this is your answer. Now one more part I am explaining you, beta. Again here you have to round off nearest to 100, so circle last 2 digits. Instead of these 2 digits write 2 zeros. Now check, half of 100 is 50. Is it more than 50? No, it is not more than 50. So the previous digit will remain as it is, and remaining all digits will also be as it is. In the C question, you need to round off nearest to 1000. Now first one is 5679. In 1000 how many zeros are there? In 1000 you have 3 zeros. So you will circle 3 digits from last or from right hand side. So write 3 zeros here. Now half of 1000 is 500. Is it more than 500? Yes, it is more than 500. So add 1 in the previous digit, that is 6. Next, 6500. Again beta, circle last 3 digits, write 3 zeros instead of those digits. Half of 1000 is 500. Now this is not more than 500, neither less than 500. It is exactly 500. So if the number is half or more than half, in both the cases you will add 1 in the previous digit, that is 6 plus 1 is 7. So if the number is half or more than half. Now last part I am explaining you, 22,041. Again circle last 3 digits, write 3 zeros instead of these digits. Check, is it more than 500? No beta, it is not more than 500. So add 1 in the previous digit, so it will be 23,000. So this is your answer. Now your homework is to do exercise 10.1 in book. Thank you.